Hi, welcome to my story, and I'm making this quick story with details, however, because I have had received a gift a little bit ago, and I have been putting off making this video because my house has been under reconstruction, my room has been under reconstruction. I've been gaining a lot of more followers and a lot more clients, which thank you for everyone who books with me and who takes the time to let me glam them, and I really appreciate all the companies that I've been working with and all like the new people, and it's just been really incredible and really fun. However, in the midst of doing that, I met this lovely lady by the name of Camilla Rose, and she is an owner of a wig company under the name of Mermaid Luxxe, and she was very kind enough to send me a wig. But here's the fun part that I am excited to share. So Camilla X, Mermaid Luxxe, was kind enough to send me a wig. But not only did she send me a wig, she was amazing enough to actually custom make a wig for me. And not just for me, but it's also for sale. The wig is under the name of Alexxis, inspired by yours truly, me. I think that's so exciting. That's so great. It was inspired by my hair. My hair has gone through a few changes since I had met her and since this wig was created. But originally this wig was created to kind of resemble my hair. But it was sent to me in this lovely little snake print box. However, this is not going to be the box that you'll be receiving your wig in. She did create new boxes for her wigs to deliver out, but this is just the one that she gave me, and honestly, I really love this snake print. So before I go into the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some details. So the wig is named after me, so it is Alexxis, Alexxis, inspired by me and my hair when I had met her. And I have on my iPad the notes. So it is a 180 density human hair wig with the one that I was sent is a 20-inch wig length, 180 density, and it is a large cap, which says that does fit everybody. You can go smaller or bigger, I believe. Let me go ahead and read a little bit more of this. So, a little fun fact about the wig. It is 100% human Remy hair. And it also comes with an HD lace, which personally I prefer HD laces because they seem to like lay better on the skin, or like when you melt it into your hair or your skin. A lot better than Swiss or transparent. In my personal opinion, I've just had better experiences with them. However, that being said, HD lace is a little bit more on the delicate side. So if you're a little rough with your wigs and like, you know, be a little bit more gentle maybe. But HD lace just is one of my favorites. I like how it looks better. It looks, I think, more realistic in my opinion, and it just lays better. Maybe that's just a me thing, but I like it a lot more. This wig is also a lace front, which means you have a good part of the front of your wig to be able to move it around, kind of give it different styles, pull it back into like a little half up, half down, or just part it anywhere in the top part of it that you would like to. The rest is going to be tracks, as you guys know. If you guys know about wigs, and you know, just lace front is literally just the lace in the front. But she can make full lace wigs if requested, so you would have to just either DM her or email her or the company, and they will be able to accommodate you if you would like a full lace wig. Obviously there's going to be a price change or difference in that, but it can be made if you prefer to have full lace. I personally don't care either way because I'm not going to be like flipping, dipping, and kicking. It's just for pics and for the looks. Another little fun fact about this wig, it is a glueless lace wig, so it does have adjustable straps to them. I personally prefer to glue down all my wigs, just a preference, but it is user friendly, so you do not have to glue it down if you do not know how to do it properly. It's a good wig. So now let's get into opening this up, and you'll see what the wig looks like inside. Please do keep in mind I have already opened this box up a few times. So when you open it, you get your wig in a bag. You get, I got a little thank you letter. She said thank you, Alexxis, and she's so sweet. Like, I like that. I like whenever I get like stuff in the mail and they give me little like cards, because like I do keep all of these. I think they're sweet. And then business cards. So I got these. I'm sure these are just for me though. A care instruction, which this is so good. It's really helpful for a lot of beginners, and it's really helpful for even people that aren't beginners that just don't know how to take care of their fucking wigs. Read these. It'll help. your wigs will last longer. And I also got 2 stickers, which are so cute. 2 little like mermaid stickers. So this one is Camilla. So she was a client of mine, and oh, you can't see the stickers. So now for the fun part, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, which it does say Mermaid Luxxe, super cute, right? So when you open this, you pull out your wig. It does come in a hairnet. Again, I have already played with it. I have inspected it. I made sure that I even like wanted to play with it, and oh, it's so pretty. So taking the hairnet off, which this is a sturdy ass like hairnet, like sturdy as fuck. So here is the wig. Are you ready? Are you ready? So here is the wig. Oh, fuck, the filter. Let me try that again. So here's the wig. Look at how beautiful this is. It has the root. It has the gray hair. This is such a beautiful color. It is such a gorgeous length. I love long hair, but I also feel like sometimes this type of length is very much needed. Can I zoom you guys? Oh, no, I cannot. So this is the wig. It is toned to perfection. It has roots throughout the entire wig. Oh, do you see how there's tracks right there? But this is like all lace right here. And this is, like I said, an HD lace. So one of my personal favorites. And this hair quality, it feels, oh my god, it smells really good too. Okay. But this is very thick hair. It's very nice. And it is, again, human hair, which is perfect for those who like a nice human hair wig to wear every single day. So inside the wig, before I plop this on, here is the inside of it. You get a pretty good amount of lace, a full lace front. You do get this strap, and you also get adjustables, and you get clips. So it's like, no one is gonna snatch this wig off your damn head. If they snatch that shit off, they're scalping you. So here, I'm gonna put this on real quick. Do you see? Okay, this is why I love HD lace. I didn't even cut the lace. Like, do you see that? If I pull this like all the way down, like, this is lace. Like, hello? You cannot tell me that's not gorgeous. Okay, I just fucked up this hair. So this is the hair in all its glory. It is such a beautiful wig. And it's like, this color is gorgeous. It feels really nice and thick. Again, like I said, it is a glueless wig, so you do not have to glue this down because it does fit pretty snug on the head. I personally, like I said, I prefer to have my lace glued down just for safety purposes. I am going to be having a photo shoot with my twin, my sexy twin, Miss Natalia Blanco, and we are going to be having a little surprise shoot for you guys. I know y'all didn't expect that, but we're gonna do that. And this wig is going to be featured in that shoot. I am gonna style her and lay her to show you guys how much of a bad bitch's hair really is. Like, it makes me feel some type of way, like, you know? So that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. I'm really obsessed with it. I love the color. I love the cut. I love everything about it. I wish that the roots were a little bit darker, just because I'm tan and I feel like roots a little light like this just don't go with me, but it's just a wig. I can easily fix that, or just leave it as is. I mean, it's not hurting nobody, for one. But yeah, so I really am excited for you guys to see the shoot that I do in this hair, to you guys to see the full effect of this gorgeous hair. Pricing. We're gonna get into that. So pricing, sorry, my hair's all fucked up now. I believe it varies. So I saw on their website, and for, I believe, a 26-inch wig, 180% density, and that custom color under my name, the Alexxis styled wig, it does come down to roughly $1,200. That's a little much and a little out of a lot of people's price range, but if you have the money, if you have that luxury, I would say invest, because it's such a beautiful wig and the quality feels great. I did test it out a little bit. I did curl a piece and it curled magnificently. It looked so gorgeous and so beautiful. I do know, or I believe, that pricing does change depending on the style, the length, and the color. But yeah, they have a starting point for $1,200, and if you, like I said, have the money for it, the budget. So everything aside, I want to give a really big thank you to Camilla Rose and Luxxe, or Mermaid Luxxe, for going ahead and sending me a beautiful wig. I cannot wait to show it off, put it on, do a look, and slay this fucking hair because it's beautiful hair. And my hair looks blonde, but I promise it's great. Thank you so much for sending me over this hair, and I'm so sorry for the really late video. It's been crazy. Today's like literally probably my only day off. I had a little bit of time and I just had to make this quick story for you guys, and I'm very grateful for you guys even thinking about sending me this hair. So thank you so much and have a good day.